Hi, Claudia here from Create with Claudia. Thanks so much for stopping by today. I wanted to do this little video. This won't be a real long one, and I'm not going to go over any new projects or any new patterns or anything like that. This is a huge thank you to YouTube and to all of my subscribers and people that just stop by and watch. I really appreciate it, because today I was chosen as the YouTube's Creator on the Rise. So if you're watching this today, I don't know what time I'm going to post this, but I have it proof here. If you go to the trending page on your phone, you can see where I am. Hopefully you can see it. I'm not sure if you can. I'll post a quick picture on my video too. I am just overwhelmed. I'm so excited. I never thought when I started doing this a while ago that this would ever happen. So thank you again to YouTube. A little bit about me. I am a mom of one, married for almost 20 years. Let's see what else. I'm a quilter, quilt blogger. I write online articles, that sort of thing. I do also some freelance blog, or I don't do it anymore, some freelance blog photography. But I'm not really trained in that. I was actually trained in business. That's what I went to school for. So my channel is pretty much about quilting and crafting, mostly now about quilting. I used to do some more crafts, but I've sort of veered away from that a little bit. I still do a lot of fabric crafts, and I will throw in a craft every now and then, but mostly it's with fabric, and I do a lot of free quilt patterns, table runners, bed runners, that sort of thing. So I hope you get a chance to check out all of my different videos. And I put together a little bit of a video in here, a little insert here, to show you some of my projects that are found on YouTube. I also have a website where I have all of the patterns that are shown here, and all of the projects as well, and plus some other ones that I never got a chance to do a video on. So check that out too. And I'm on social media, at Create with Claudia, all of the different outlets, so check those out too. Thank you so much for stopping by and checking out this video, and a huge thank you to YouTube for choosing me, thinking my content was good enough to choose for their creator of the, creator on the rise. I didn't even say the thing right. It means so much to me. If I was animated enough on here, I'd do a happy dance, but I saved that for TikTok. That's over on TikTok. But I really do. It means so much to me to have gotten this acknowledgement, and I thank you for subscribing. I thank you for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you again.